Welcome to our channel. Today we how to set up with Refersion for affiliate tracking and conversion tracking, beginner guide step by step clearly. To set up Refersion for affiliate tracking and conversion tracking, visit the Refersion website. Create an account by clicking on the sign up button. Fill in the required information, including your email address and password. Check your inbox for a confirmation email from Refersion. Click the confirmation link in the email to activate your account. Once logged into your Refersion dashboard, click on Settings in the menu. Navigate to the Integrations section to connect Refersion with your e-commerce platform. Choose your platform from the available options and follow the specific integration instructions provided. After integration, set up your affiliate program by going to the Affiliate tab in the dashboard. Customize your program details, including commission structures and payment methods. Next, create your first affiliate campaign by clicking on Campaigns. Fill in the necessary details, such as campaign name, duration, and budget. Set tracking parameters for your campaign to monitor its performance. Under the Tracking section, you can enable conversion tracking to monitor sales generated by affiliates. Adjust the tracking settings based on your preferences for data collection. Once everything is set up, save your changes and review your configurations. Test the setup with a sample affiliate link to ensure everything is functioning properly. Monitor the performance of your affiliate program through the Refersion dashboard regularly. Make adjustments as needed based on the data you collect from your affiliates. This will help optimize your affiliate program for better results. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.